today is we're just cleaning here. Everybody is cleaning in preparation for game night tonight. But I think we're just cleaning just to clean. But today is game night. We didn't do frisbee today because I guess X wasn't feeling well. So everyone's just cleaning. Isn't that right, Dan?
Yes. Yes, it is right.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. What's going on today? We might watch a movie. Gonna write a script for maybe a video on Monday, since it seems like everybody's free Monday.
Hey, ask your vloggers why my freaking processing unit.
Yeah, you know what? We still cannot get Dan's computer. Like, the processor that we got is like stuck in the board, in his new motherboard we got from Fry's, which I guess was like returned, but now it won't come out. Maybe that's why they returned it, cause they couldn't get their the slot or something. I don't know. But Dan's computer is still MIA, so to speak.
What kind of torture device is this?
Torture device, what?
What this is?
That's Frederick's slingshot.
What the frick is this? What?
He found the slingshot was like, what the
no.
That's pretty cool. It works. It really works.
I don't know if you guys can hear me with all this loud noise. I'm just vacuuming if you don't mind. Yeah, you can just take it.
This is a magnet. This is a magnet. This is a magnet. It's right next to that thing. Is that stupid?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's next to the hard drive?
Whatever was right over there. Anything that was over there is near a magnet.
Just got fried. Maybe that's why your computer doesn't work.
LJ's trying on the costume I got him. Oh, look at LJ. So cute.
Is that okay if she comes around?
I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a Where's the cape at?
Freaking awesome, dude. Seriously, that's freaking sick.
Where's the cape at, man?
It comes with a cape.
Alright guys, so here's our new superhero right here. Hey, this is so awesome.
Awesome, bro.
Got the cape. Hey, we need to get like a huge fan and have it like blowing while you like. It's not blowing.
You gotta turn it on higher.
Wow, this looks really good.
Maybe I should have oiled this a little bit better.
So today's dinner was prepared by Chambry and with the help of Frederick. Boo.
Susha.
Having trouble there, Dan? Wait, what kind of bread is that?
Beer bread.
Beer bread? Beer bread?
Beer bread? Am I gonna get drunk tonight off of some bread?
Careful, we got some underagers here.
Yeah, dude. I turned 21 in May, so we might have to save this, put this in the freezer. But yeah, everything else, man, looks awesome. Oh, just like, wow.
I'm just amazed.
No, that bread's pretty ridiculous, actually.
We could just take chunks.
Whoa, Dan, I almost dropped the plate over there. Oh, dang.
Turning green. His jersey.
Oh, what happened to no caveman? What happened?
Oh.
Caveman.
We need a plate. We need a plate.
Okay, so just finished playing my LOL game, and now we're gonna eat and play games tonight or something. Got a new haircut. No, bam. Get the whole helicopter view on it. Compared to my old barbershop, it was different. They used like this shaving cream on the back of my neck and head. You know, it was pretty cool, sorta, I guess. It was alright. I mean, it was better than my long hair, I guess, so it works out. Oh, on Monday, whole new video idea. It's just came to me like today, and well, I have some friends who are gonna help me out with it that I've never met in real life. That's kind of weird, but they're friends of like these guys, and they're on League of Legends. So we're gonna do something pretty cool.
Here.
So wait, why do they call it beer bread?
Could you make it with beer?
But you didn't make it with beer.
Is there alcohol in here?
Yeah, but it doesn't do anything.
Oh, you don't know. I might be a lightweight.
If you bake with alcohol, it doesn't have that.
Really? What?
The alcohol part, like,
It'll burn out.
It evaporates.
Evaporates?
Yeah. The more you know.
Oh, so what? Then why do they use beer to make it?
Because you use the carbonation in the beer instead of the yeast to make the bread rise.
Oh. Now does this whole beer thing working other type of
Yeah, you can have beer cake, beer turkey.
beer cake, beer turkey? What about beer?
Come to me. On my daughter's wedding.
Cappuccino?
Al Pacino.
Or what's his
You gotta actually know his actual name.
His actual name?
No.
I don't know his name.
What's his name?
Yeah.
I've never That is that.
Wait,
I'm
I know this.
speaking of really
What's that?
weird voice because my name
know who it is, think.
I'm trying to. Oh my god.
Is that the little
Oh, it's kind of like that. Like the guy that's locked up in prison, Marlon Manson, Marlon Brown. Oh no,
You know it.
Marlon Brown. No, I don't.
Listen to him.
You don't have it. Fine.
Oh no, wait.
Is he real or
The kiss of death.
I don't know either. I don't know what I think you're supposed to act like it. I don't know.
Yeah,
Time's out. Marlon Brando. Yeah,
Brando. I can hear Brando.
All I know is that he's an actor. He's like.
He's in the Godfather. I thought you actually knew for
Yeah,
That's his like famous role.
A waterfall, a volcano.
To win this factoid, your team must correctly answer the question. I'll read it aloud, then I'll give it to you in the start timer. So the question is: complete this line from Dr. Seuss. 1 fish, 2 fish.
Wow. Are you
I know.
serious? You guys
I
don't
know.
know that? I know that without even looking.
I think the other
Timer's going.
I think it's red fish, blue fish. I have no.
Are you sure?
Are
I think
you
it's red
serious?
fish, blue fish.
Bro, you guys knew that. Once they said it. I like had that book
Red fish,
memorized
blue
when I was
fish?
little.
Stupid Sprite.
Oh yes. That was close actually. I've never read
1
that.
fish, 2 fish.
Daniel Moore
Red
said
fish, blue
brush
fish.
up on
I don't
your
know the rest.
literature.
Go ahead, you roll.
Yeah, I
You
don't
got the
know.
lucky rolls.
Oh, spell block.
Hey. To win this blank out, you must complete the filling in the blanks with missing letters. I'll read the hint aloud, pass the card to you, and start the timer.
Holy crap.
That just looks intimidating. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
The
No.
hint is food.
What is it? Tomato?
You're on the right track there.
Yeah, it is.
Or an O.
Dan will not. As soon as that last grain drops.
Time's up.
No.
It's bacon and eggs.
Told you it was tomatoes.
On the first try without writing it down.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Got it.
I'll read the word and then start timer. Yeah. The word is jettison.
What? Screwed.
Jettison.
Say it once.
I get it. Yeah, I'm done choosing these.
You can do it, man.
You got this.
You
Just
can do
think. Jet is sin.
G
Sound it out.
E D I S E N T.
Close.
No.
It's actually J-E-T. T.
Fail.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's an N at the end.
Yeah, it's jettison. It's like when like if you're on a boat.
I know.
Volcano explodes.
No.
That's like they have
It's
one
like
of these spells
explodes
backwards.
when
Oh,
okay. I see it now.
okay.
I see it now.
What animal is this?
Good luck.
It's like an owl.
Yes. No.
It's.
Oh no. This is a nose. This is
Oh, it's a gorilla.
Oh, awesome. Dang it.
Snap! Woo!
That was good. At first I thought it was an L too, but then I was back. Oh no, it's not.
Yeah, I thought that was some weird X-ray of some animal in gestation. To win this lexicon, your team must determine the correct definition of the word below. I'll read the word and the definition aloud. Pass the card to you, then start the timer. The word is keystone. A, central part of an art. B, policeman in slang. C, material formerly used in foundations. D, reference mark on a blueprint. Good luck, ladies.
Really?
Nope, it's not A. I'm telling you right now, it's not A.
I'm like
You know.
90%
I trust you.
No, it's B. It's B.
Alright, we're going with A.
It's B. Are you sure you don't want to change it?
Woo!
Oh, it didn't work.
because I knew the word.
Alright, tell me if you know it.
Do you know this person, LJ?
Oh my god.
Alright, neither do you. Oh, the hint
So you do. This is you.
Thing.
I got the next one.
Hint is a thing. Alright, I'll act this one out.
Go for it, bro.
Wow, that's tough. Okay.
This is ridiculous.
Okay. It's a thing. It's a thing. Ready? I need your A game.
Hey,
My A game.
someone flip the timer.
So we can't talk?
No, silence.
Okay.
Ready?
Watch him in the corner of your eye.
It's a thing. It's a tongue. Taste, tongue twister.
Yeah, like I don't know how to do it.
And
Yeah.
tongue and
Yeah.
Tongue and dance. Tongue and
Getting tongue, but
tongue and dance. Tongue and
groove. Tongue and groove.
She got it.
oh,
tongue and
I don't know
groove.
how to do it.
I would have done like something like that. Disco
Tongue and
groove,
groove
but
is
that's cool.
like some kind of like
It sounds like
Like a-
lock thing.
yeah,
Yeah.
like some kind of like interlocking.
Ab rubber,
No.
Okay.
an ab pattern, ab massager, and ab wiper.
Washboard.
washboard abs.
Ab washboard.
Dang it, you're so
Washboard abs? I never heard of that before.
You never heard of that?
You heard it.
You never heard of washboard abs?
No, man.
Oh.
It's okay. That was good. You were the first person to watch.
You can listen to other people and get more music than me. If
Yeah.
if
So
it's-
you hum it.
I'll hum
You
it.
hum
See,
it.
that's a smart way to go. I don't do. Good look. Who's going? Do you want this?
I'll hum it.
Even if you see, if you'd have done it, I wouldn't have guessed it either. So it's better that you listen to other
Do you
people.
actually
Listen-
know this song?
No, I don't.
Well, then how are any of us gonna get it?
Yeah, I'm the music. I'm sure one of them will know it. Everybody saw it.
I saw it.
Well, you got it on his camera.
I
You got it on
saw
his camera. The dude knows.
Team Balderdash. Sounds like a Russian
Where are
game.
people at? My
Balderdash.
hand accidentally knocked people.
I was on the red is
See,
on
told you to
blue.
be careful, dude.
I'm black.
This is what happens when you get too eager, too
I
excited.
got it.
The only one was this one. That's it. And oh wait, and
Oh,
okay.
That's it.
And that one's like right here.
You haven't gotten any points. I remember.
Whoa, Dan, remember, be kind.
Yeah, you like that.
Yeah, we know LJ's is something not true.
Yeah, but you fell for it last time.
This was different. This is something that's gonna be too obvious. All right, so me, Jay, Frederick, just got a haircut. You know, like it took like 3 hours, but you know what?
It was worth it.
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. You know, I want to get a good look at that. You know.
That's a clean cut right there.
Yeah, well, you know how I roll.